Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to fix your Instagram from saying you could not refresh your feed. So let's hop on right into the video. So I'll be showing you different methods on how you could fix this. So the first method is offloading the app. So you can do this by going to your settings on your phone. You'll want to scroll down to General, click on iPhone Storage, and then here you can either search it in the top right, or you can scroll down and try to find Instagram, whichever one works with you once it finally loads. So I'll go ahead and just search it from the top right. Just type in Instagram, should pop up. From here, all you need to do is click offload app. All this does is that it will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So you just want to click offload app and then reinstall it. And then you want to go back to your Instagram, clear it like this, and then hop back on and see if that worked. So then if that doesn't work, you can also check your Wi-Fi connection. So if you pull down on the right side of your screen, you could possibly turn your Wi-Fi off and on. You could also go to Google and search up a Google, I think it's test speed. And then here you could click run speed test, and it will run for about 30 seconds and tell you whether or not your Wi-Fi is good or bad right now. Sometimes if your Wi-Fi is bad, it might not refresh your feed. The last thing you could do is turn your phone off and on. This sometimes helps with these kind of problems. It's helped me quite a bit with whenever I do have problems on my phone. So I hope one of these methods did work for you. If they did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next one.